Everyone listening? First of all, I'm very obliged to be here. I'm so lucky this time I'm here.
American
Yeah, I live in New Jersey, and I have 2 kids. I work there in as a title producer in mortgage industry, and that's pretty much it. I'm here for next 1 month. Yeah, I'm still here.
Could you repeat the question?
If you were an animal, what kind of animal would you be?
Animal
I'm not cunning. I would love to be a fox.
Okay.
हेलो हाँ बोल ना माइक चेक 1 2 स्टार्ट बोल परेश परेश तारी आवाज ऐसे स्कूल ની करामत બતાવ સ્કૂલ ના દિવસોની करामत બતાવ પાછલી બેન
Hello.
બોલો
Hello everybody.
Hello everyone, listen to it.
I'm Paresh Patel.
ખોપડી માં તેલ ચારનાની બેલ યાદ કર સ્કૂલ ના દિવસો આગળ બોલ ભૂલી ગયો
मैं सूरत रहता हूँ और मेरा काम है सैंड सप्लाई करना।
I think the introduction round has been disturbed many a times. I would like to do something else.
મને તો યાદ છે એની આગળ હું બેસતો
We want to welcome our very own, very dear Rohan sir. Everybody, 3 cheers for our dear Wow, and one more time we want to shoot the music video because now he is with us. So one more time we are going to play the song.
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो।
सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। सारी उम्र हम मर मर के जी लिए, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। ना 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 ना। Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again.
कंधों को किताबों के बोझ ने झुकाया, रिश्वत देना तो खुद पापा ने सिखाया। 99% मार्क्स लाओगे तो घड़ी वरना छड़ी, लिख लिख कर पड़ा हथेली पर अल्फा बीटा गामा का छाला। कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 ने पूरा पूरा बचपन जला डाला।
बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। बचपन तो गया, जवानी भी गई, एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो, जीने दो। के जी लिए एक पल तो अब हमें जीने दो जीने दो ना 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 na 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 na. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance. I wanna grow up once again. Na 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 na. Na 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 na
All grown-up kids, may I please have your attention? Now your own dear principal sir is going to address you all. I hope you will maintain some silence. Whether you are from US or Surat or Norway or Mumbai or Mulund, whatever. Right? Right now, please be a children academy student and please let us sit down on the floor. But Rahul sir, over to you now. We would like to listen something from you.
Good evening, everyone. Class teacher. Very nice to see you. And where is the person who invited us? एक दो बच्चे स्कूल के हमारे और आ जाएंगे. New next generation coming up. So anyway, nice seeing you all. Nice, great day to be with you all. And nice after 6 years getting a chance to meet you all. We have been having get-togethers I think last week also. I think we are completing how many years? 25 still a long time to go. So nice to see you all, but many faces I can remember because one of the few batches I have taught for a couple of months. Some of them are taught for 3 years, 4 years. I got a chance to grow with you. As far as school is concerned, and I would like you all to also come down back. Many of your have come to school, some are very closely linked to school. So it's nice coming and meeting here is a good thing, but we can also meet at the school. So that is a different environment, different this. Some of you are all parents of the school now. PTA members. Yeah, PTA members also. I think we have got some parents, but not from here. But we have got from the newer batches. Next year coming. Okay. Anyway, school is doing well. We have a lot of changes as usual. It is we have made a lot of changes. It goes on. It's a process which goes on. And I'm very happy that we have, as I think most of you all must be knowing, that we have shifted to ICSE now. Yes. SSC batches are still there, but it is closing now. And we have shifted to the ICSE, and the first year ICSE results for Ashok Nagar and Asha Nagar school both have gone already completed 1 year. Malad we first decided not to go, and then we decided to go. So Malad will be sending its first ICSE batch. But that reminds me, I got a very good news that we had our first batch, as I said, this is the first batch of ICSE which has gone, and all of you are aware that in SSC board exams also we have been always doing very well, and there was always a apprehension when Children's Academy, ICSE, whether what they will be doing, what about the teachers, this, that, and all so many things were there. But just 2 days back I have got some nice, very good news. We have got the ICSE data of 2,200 schools that have been compiled, and they have taken out the top 200 schools of the country in ICSE results of this year. And I'm very glad to say that both our schools who have appeared for the first time, actually, Malad has not yet appeared, so Malad is not there. Both of them are well within the first 100, and it is. In Bombay, I must have it.
First yoga.
Dhirubhai Ambani is first. Dhirubhai Ambani is first, but there is. It is there somewhere. I don't know where it is. I don't know where I kept it. But anyway, it is 18th. Our Ashok Nagar school stands 18th in Mumbai. Out of the 200, around 42 schools are from Bombay. So out of that, 18th is our number, and we have the Asha Nagar school at, I think, at 25, 26 or something like that. So well within the range of, we can say that all the top schools, some of the many top schools which we thought are the top, we are way ahead of them. So that is a very good sign. The first year, very happy with the results. And I'm sure that by God's grace and all the wishes of our students, we will grow further in the coming years. So you come, your classrooms have changed. So now it has completely changed this year. It has been demolished and new classrooms are there. Furniture is still the same. So we are changing that. So come down, nice seeing you all. And you all enjoy. I'll be leaving a little bit. I have some discounts. We all enjoy having a great time. Thank you very much.
And of course, बैठे रहिए, अभी भी class over नहीं है, please. The next period is going to start. The lecture is in the college. School में period आ जाता है. Sit down, please. यहाँ पर, thank you so very much, बच्चा. I'll give you a minute. So now, I would like to request Seema to do this honor. She is lucky to welcome our own principal sir by giving the token of love. Come on, there are music, Tanya and Dr. Shuru for this nice moment. और यहाँ पर जब इतना प्रिविलेज माना जाता है सर को क्लास देना, look at the smile on her face. Tell me one thing, if you get something from sir's hand, how will you like it? Would you appreciate? सर से देने में इतनी खुशी हो रही है तो सर से लेने में तो कितनी ज्यादा खुशी होगी, yes or no? But then for that you have to answer honestly. Out of all these present here, I think some around 40, 60 of them. Tell me, you all are ex-student of Children's Academy. आपके बच्चे, means your kid, are there in the Children's Academy? Yes. The first one to say yes is, please. The first one to say yes is here. May I please know your name? Paurav Shah, please come forward. You are the one, lucky one, to get the first prize of our. See, the gift is such a token of love. The main thing is we are getting from sir himself. कितने cameras निकालने हैं? Come on, all the cameras निकालो. Video mode पे लीजिए. And yes, this is something great. Sir, so thank you so very much. I think you will enjoy the next session of the evening as well. Thank you so very much for being here. And may I please request? Resna is going to welcome English teacher, please. Let's do the Talia music for the shelter and the smile at the face. And Hemali is going to honor our Patil sir, please here. शौक चल गया भाई, चलो कमान कविला मैम आपके लिए. थैंक यू सो वेरी मच. And now, because Principal Sir is here, all the dignitaries from Children's Academy are here. तो मैंने अपने गेम्स थोड़े चेंज कर लिए हैं। उनके आने से पहले मैंने थोड़े नॉटी गेम्स प्लान किए थे। Okay, with your permission,
They are allowed.
बच्चे बड़े हो गए
Lovely, so nice of you. But before you came, what I have observed was guys are having all the funs and all of the poor girls they were just observing everything. Yes. Look at their face. She was making faces. Yeah, I know. Right? Because they were just sitting and looking at you all, like जैसे कोई TV screen को देख रहे हैं. Now it's her time to enjoy. Of course, you are there in the game, definitely. But the name of the game will be Ladies Special. निकलो वापस यहाँ पर आओ. Come on, go! Hit them! It's your chance, girls. They really had fun half of the evening. Come on, go again. Those who are standing there. Come on, all the guys. Come on. My goodness, super chance. Come on, go. Wow, क्या बात है? Come on, टर्टल में हाथ ऊपर. Come on, go and now. I think यहाँ चिल्ड्रंस एकेडमी की लड़कियाँ इतनी स्ट्रॉन्ग है, मार के सबको भगा दिया है. तो यहाँ पे जो 2 लोग बचे हैं, प्लीज दिस वन नाम बोलिए. एंड हेमांग जी एंड चिराग प्रशांत. ओके, बाकी के सब आउट हो चुके हैं. ये दोनों को कुछ लोगों ने पार्टिसिपेट भी नहीं किया. अब ये दोनों को आपने आउट किया है, दैट इज राइट, बट स्टिल